RadioYo is a platform that we've built for people around the world who want to either live stream their own online radio show or broadcast pre-recorded podcast episodes on any topic that they're interested in or passionate about. Doesn't matter, could be cryptocurrencies, could be biodiversity, could be sports, could be religion. It doesn't matter. Whatever their topic of interest is, they can use our platform to either live stream or broadcast a pre-recorded podcast episode. Doesn't matter, it's up to them. There are two things that differentiate us from our competition. First is our belief in free speech. We will not censor anything that our hosts have to say. Unlike our competitors, unlike Facebook, Twitter, Google, who have censored what people have to say, we're not big believers on censoring what our hosts broadcast. The other big difference between us and our competitors is our move into using blockchain technology to advance our platform. We're building a blockchain-based broadcasting and services platform for our hosts and service providers. We're metamorphosing from a traditional platform to one where blockchain technology is used to solve our broadcasters' biggest problems. One example is creating an indelible record. A podcaster doesn't worry anymore about losing their content, whether they're losing it to theft or copyright infringement, by creating an indelible record, by storing a podcast using IPFS, the protocol layer. A podcaster's podcast can't be deleted and is a permanent public record. So that's one way that we're solving a problem. Another problem that we're solving are accurate statistics by using the blockchain. Right now, if you're a podcaster, you're collecting statistics from 3, 4, 5 different sources. Well, using the blockchain and time-stamping this data, this metadata, to the blockchain, we could get accurate listener behavior statistics that could benefit both the podcaster as well as advertisers. For example, wouldn't it be great to know how long somebody is actually listening to your show and where they're dropping out and what devices they're listening on? We feel that the blockchain can solve this problem. So those are two examples of many problems that the blockchain can solve. And I don't want to get too technologically heavy here, but then we can talk about smart contracts and the issues that they can solve, and D-apps and the problems that they can solve for podcasters. So there's a lot going on in this space, and we feel that blockchain is the answer. We're actually in the middle of our coin offering. We've created a token, cryptocurrency called the RadioYo, and we're using the RadioYo as incentivization to incentivize people on our platform to take action, if you will. So think about all of the people who are using our platform: consumers, users, podcasters, advertisers. We feel that by creating this token, we could incentivize people to take action. Look at it this way. Right now, your information is being used by Facebook, and it's being sold to advertisers. And Facebook is making money off of that information. You're not benefiting from that information. Facebook is not going to you and saying, here's $5 and thank you for using our platform and allowing us to use your information. We want to turn that paradigm on its head. We want to incentivize people to take action, and we feel that creating our cryptocurrency, the RadioYo, does that. So let me give you a few examples. One example is you're a podcast host. One of your listeners tweets that you have a great show or leaves a great review or goes on Facebook and says, listen, check out this show on Tuesday night at 7 o'clock. You, as a host, could reward that listener with RadioYo. Another example is you're an advertiser. You advertise on a show, on a podcast that airs on RadioYo, and you want listeners of that show to take selfies of a particular product, of your particular product, actually. Well, then you can reward those listeners with RadioYo. And the last example that I'll leave you with is a podcaster needs audio work, audio engineering work. He or she needs bumpers, needs an intro, needs an exit music. Well, you could reward an audio engineer with RadioYo. So those are 3 examples that we see that are using RadioYo would incentivize people, and that's why we're creating our token. We're turning the paradigm on its head.